was a day where the weather matched the spooky forecast. We were dealing with driving rain really through about lunchtime here in Lexington. Then the wind picked up and the bone-chilling air started to move in across the region. Fortunately, the steady rain again is out of our hair, but still we are lingering on a little bit of light precipitation that may actually be falling as a little sleet, even some light snow across portions of the bluegrass. So let's take a look on the MAXTRACK live Doppler, which again, now showing you the widespread rain that we were seeing this morning, even through the lunch hour. And as we zoom in for a closer look across the bluegrass, you can see a little bit of that purple starting to pop up around Lexington, even extending up into Scott County. That's showing you that again, we may see a little bit of sleet mixing in with those very light returns that are being picked up. Mostly though, the MAXTRACK is just seeing a few sprinkles, even some passing showers across the I-64 corridor, even up towards Paris, over towards Mount Olivet as well, and even down to the south into Estill County too. But again, some folks may be seeing a little bit of a different story as temperatures are hovering in the mid-30s for many of us this evening. And we certainly saw our fair share of rain over the past 2 days. These are 2-day rainfall totals coming in from the Kentucky Mesonet. Franklin County, one of the top spots across the Commonwealth, over 3 inches of rain there. That axis of heavier rain also was setting up across Harrison County, just under 2.5 inches there. Meanwhile, here in Fayette County, just shy of 2 inches. Our Mesonet site is sitting at the corner of Manowar and Nicholasville Road. Meanwhile, those numbers begin to drop off, but still in the ballpark of 1.5 inches, even 2 inches from Bath County, even into Casey and Owsley County. Meanwhile, Morgan County picked up 1.14 inches of rain over the past 48 hours. And all of that rain is getting out of our hair. Again, now it's really just a soggy and stormy setup for the eastern seaboard at this point, but we are also seeing a little bit of snow on the tail end. In fact, some heavier snow flying from central Indiana up towards Chicago, even Milwaukee, with Michigan also dealing with that heavy snow as well. Meanwhile, back across Virginia, even the Carolinas, tornado watches are lining up with a long line of severe thunderstorms moving through. Certainly a little bit of a scary scene there for trick-or-treaters this Halloween off to the east. Now for us, high pressure is gradually going to be filtering in. So we're going to start to break out the clouds just a little bit. We'll get rid of all the light precipitation that is still hanging on. And as we go throughout the course of the day tomorrow, we're bringing back the sunshine. We're going to keep it quiet and dry going forward this weekend. Unfortunately, though, the sunshine isn't going to do much to help the cold air that has been moving in. This is the coldest air of the season yet that has been moving in on the backside of this mighty cold front. The core of the coldest air is still back across the Canadian border, even the northern Great Lakes, but some of it is slipping into the Commonwealth. We certainly felt it today. We were close to 70 degrees this morning. Now we're sitting at 38 with the winds coming in out of the west, sustained at 25 miles per hour. It's giving us a wind chill in the upper 20s. A very pleasant night for trick-or-treaters. And later on tonight, temperatures will be bottoming out in the upper 20s. A freeze warning is in effect across the area as we do stand the chance to not only see the first freeze, but even the first hard freeze of the season that will end the growing season later on tonight. So early on, we're going to keep it blustery here for your Halloween night. Skies will be mostly cloudy. That freeze warning will kick in at 11 o'clock as temperatures will be bottoming out in the upper 20s. Then on tap for your Friday, we get the sunshine back, but it will stay brisk with a high only in the upper 40s. That story is going to continue into the weekend. So for trick-or-treaters here in Lexington Saturday afternoon, you're still going to need the turtlenecks, maybe a jacket as well, and even a little pair of long pants too underneath some of the cute costumes too. As we're seeing afternoon highs only near 50, we're to see a little bit of a warm up leading up to Election Day as well.
We'll take it.
Yes, much better than tonight.
Thank you, Jill.